This is Penny and Powder. Hey guys, Powder's upset with me a little bit because I just cleaned out the eyes. Yes, you didn't like that, huh? They've been here before. They're in the captain's quarters and they love that suite. They like the window and like Persians, they're very much people cats. Love to be pet, paid attention to, talked to. Aw, this is my little Powder. Yeah. Hey, Penny. Hey. I don't know if you can hear that purr. Yeah. Yeah. Listen to you. Listen to you. Oh, I'm taping. But they're doing well. They're eating okay, voiding normally, no problems to report. There you go. Look at you guys. Penny. Oh, what's that? Did I surprise you?